Watch this video to the end if you want to learn how I replaced this zipper. I removed broken zipper with the seam ripper and separated fly facing at waistband and took apart at J-stitch. I have number 5 YKK zipper, a little longer, but this will work. Fused and serged at right front. Also serged under fly facing. A sandwich zipper between front and under fly facing and edge stitch. I tested to make sure the stitch is not too close. I covered right side with left fly front by pinning to center front. Watch this is important. You turn to the wrong side and find where zipper lays on the fly facing and pin there. Now I'm stitching the zipper tape to inside fly facing. Sorry, I don't like this angle of recording, but I had to rush. Now I'm ready to shorten the zipper from the bottom. Ideally, you remove the zipper stopper and use the same zipper stopper at the bottom, but for me it was faster to simply reinforce with the thread and needle just like this. We have to take shortcuts sometimes. Now I am top stitching at the J stitch, but I have to make sure the stitch goes through previous stitch. I'm sure at the factory with the piecework they do with a double needle top stitching, but in this case I go through my single needle through all the previous stitches. Now I'm going to edge stitch where waistband was separated from the pants at left and right. Usually J-stitch stops at the curve and then it has to be attached to the inside facing, and that's what I'm doing now. Since my zipper is still a little bit long, I have to go very slow to make sure I don't break my needle. I also had to double needle stitch at front rise where I separated them previously. Here I'm doing that second stitch at the bottom of the J stitch. Normally at this place there's a bar tag, but I'm cutting corners, so I don't have time for setting up the bar tag. I just go with a single stitch a few times. And here's your final result. Looks perfect. She was so happy.